I got this thing to the beach and pop off front wheel.
You have to make a boat through a rooster tail. Emmy's going through a rooster tail.
Here's a rooster tail.
Yeah.
Comes out the back by the motor when you drive it real fast.
Yeah. Why does it go fast?
I don't know, make the motor run.
Paul, give us that life jacket. We'll take you out in the boat.
I have a life
Y'all be
jacket.
careful. There you go. Tell 'em bye.
Bye, y'all.
I have a life jacket. Look, real.
They're gonna give you a little one.
I have one to keep me warm, but it's
You don't see them down hooks?
real.
Think I'm lying, boy. Get a hold of that. See 'em? These things sharp.
What's this?
What? Right here?
That blue thing.
That blue thing there had some toothpicks and some mints, but they're all over now.
What's that?
What's that? That's a floater.
Why is it big?
The fish with it. What's that?
Hey,
A what?
hey,
What's that?
a screwdriver.
Yeah, a little bitty screwdriver.